Okay guys, it's a Sunday and today we're going to talk about how to use Chinese wash, or what is Chinese wash. So Chinese wash is an old hoodoo formula for cleaning up spiritual messes. It is actually a liquid soap. Ours is made from scratch. It is organic liquid soap. The difference in liquid soap and bar soap is the type of lye that you use. Sodium hydroxide is used for bar soap. Potassium hydroxide is used to make liquid soap, and it takes a long time to make, but 7 hours to make a couple of gallons. So inside is, if you can see, there are actual broom straws in Chinese wash, along with different essential oils that are associated with their magical properties for protection and cleansing. There is some lemongrass, there's some citronella, a little bit of vetiver. There's different things in there. So what you actually do is take this and use about a capful and a half a bucket of water to spiritually cleanse the house, actually house cleaning, like spring cleaning. So you would take it to mop the floors. You may mop and wash the front porch with it. You can also take it and put it in a little bucket to do the counters, the surfaces of the house, maybe even the outside of the house. If you have like siding or whatever, just cleanse the entire property. We use this to clean the floors of our store. Someone asked me what if they have rugs, and I tell them you can dip a broom into the water and let it dry, and then sweep the floors. If you want to do it with rugs, you want to be very sparing with it. It is soapy water. So also some people will take the Chinese wash and they will mix in with it different types of magical oils. Maybe it's for not just for cleansing, but to bring money into a business. Add a few drops of money drawing oil into the water and clean the floors with it. You can also clean spiritual objects, statuary, whatever you need to cleanse for protection and for cleansing. So we carry this on the Aroma Botanica website. We make it ourselves. You can go to aromagsbotanica.com or just aromags.com and you will find us. So that is how you actually use Chinese wash.